Welcome to my video series to guide entrepreneurs. In each episode, I cover a key point in one of the 5 concepts of entrepreneurship: getting started, budgeting and finances, marketing and promotion, living your best work life, and running your business. If you like these videos and my audience, consider a collaboration by promoting your business in my videos and send me a private message with a request. But before we start, please subscribe to this channel to get notified when a new episode comes out. And make sure you leave a comment or a question. I read and reply to all of them. Episode 7, concept number 1, getting started, and key 7 is setting up shop, your website, and e-commerce platforms. In times where you can only communicate online, choosing your digital home is a decision best made wisely. The first and most important marketing tool you'll never need is a website. So what are your options? Here are the top 4 do-it-yourself platforms. They all offer powerful capabilities and design templates. Most have an annual or monthly contract, and you can also add some extra e-commerce features. Squarespace. They have a large library of pre-existing templates. You can add your content, change colors and fonts via drag and drop. Weebly. This is a drag and drop interface with a guided setup, and you can also choose from existing templates and customize them with your content. WordPress. This is the platform used by many large companies. They have free and paid themes, the equivalent of website templates, that you can edit with your content, and you can add customization with the web developer knowledge or ask help from one. Wix. They offer various ways to build a website: Wix Artificial Design Intelligence, Wix Editor, and Wix Code. Depending on your design skills, you can create or you can take advantage of any of these 3 ways very quickly. If you're setting up an online shop, you will need to choose an e-commerce platform. Here, I will explain 4 of the major ones and some extra hacks to achieve the same thing. Amazon. This is the world's busiest marketplace and is often the first and only stop for many people. Be aware that this platform charges a monthly fee and a commission per sale that can be up to 15% average. Also, this platform has a built-in comparison shopping tool that puts you side by side with your competition, so make sure that you have a competitive price and product. Since Amazon Prime offers fast shipping for members, you should consider your shipping options carefully. Use Amazon keyword search tool and use the bullet points in the item description. eBay. This platform offers buying and selling auctions, as well as fixed price for new and used goods. You control the price and terms, paying an insertion fee per item. You can also set up a brand and eBay store, but you have to handle the shipping on your own. Etsy. This is a marketplace for independent sellers to promote handmade and unique items. You pay a transaction fee of 3.5% per item, and you handle the shipping. The platform has tools and support for sellers. Shopify. This platform can function on its own, but can also plug into Amazon point of sale and has a point of sale tool, which means you can do a face-to-face sale and then handle the payments through an app or plug it into your website and social media with a buy button or link. They provide a drag and drop interface and offer sales advice and shipping options. But there are other ways to charge for a product on your website and social media as well, via custom buttons and links created by your online financial platforms like PayPal Business. They offer ways very easy to create buttons, links, and embedded HTML for your website and social media, and you can customize them. For example, you can use them for recurring payments or one-time buy. This is very helpful for subscriptions and single-time purchases of your products and services without having to subscribe or connect to any of the e-commerce platforms I mentioned before. Thank you for watching and listening. You are on your way to a great entrepreneurial life. but learning and growing will only be measured by the result of the small actions you take after stopping this video. So make sure you write down the top 3 or more actions and decisions that you will make this week. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more of this exciting topic.